Today, we will observe market structure in close action and talk about how to trade weak or strong markets. We will discover how to find entry locations with our best trading view indicator. Furthermore, we will also learn how to make entries or use other methods to catch trades. If you are good to go, it is time to start now. We will do a theoretical lesson today, so you will understand all the price action we need after 10 years experience. I will start with a simple SR Philip line. What are the common support and resistance Philip lines? We traders enjoy combining price action with smart money concepts. The previous day, week, and the months are very important price levels. The low and high points are great and natural location of SR Philip lines as a start. If you trade much smaller time frames, you can also add common candles to this, like the 4 and 1 hour highs and lows. These can act as support and resistance Philip lines also. Then, what we look for is the multi-level imbalances, generally colliding with SR Philip lines. I commonly look for 1, 2, 3, 4 are multi-level imbalances. But I also try to check 15, 30, and 45 minutes altogether for sometimes micro scalping. As you notice, I keep adding more confluences to my setups for better trade locations. This is how I find overall trade locations. These two is very important. So, you noticed this price action and found yourself a great trade location. Then you need to ask this question. Do we have any reasons to go higher and higher? Do I have a target above? For example, I like institutional targets, such as previous day, week, and the month high location. For micro scalpers, the high of 4-hour candle also can be a great target as well. Furthermore, if I see any kind of equal highs, it will give me extra confidence on my targets. And finally, I always try to combine liquidity points like these ones with imbalances for much better targets. These are great price magnet locations. They are pulling the price. So what do I have here again? First, I find myself a great trade location with SR Philip and imbalances. And then I ask myself about targets, like the clear targets above a combination of liquidity with imbalances. These are the two major steps before taking any kind of trades. Okay, now I am ready to take trades. What can I do? First of all, as day traders or scalpers, do we have any kind of inner imbalances in the area, in the lower time frames? Like the 5-minute, 3-minute imbalances. This will give me an extra confidence. Right before my entry is the price sweeps any sort of inner liquidity. This is really important for fuel. You already know that the imbalance and liquidity combination is the main drive and fuel of the price action. After all this, I'm all set for trading. Now let's talk about the trading models. The first method will be the classic 2-hour quick setups, the market structure breaks with imbalances. The most classic way of trading. You already know this, I know. But these trades should be extremely compact and quick. In and out, in and out, in and out. So what else do we have? I actually hate waiting for the market structure break like most of you. Then instead, without market structure break, I can build a small average in my entry location. Basically, what you do here, place multiple small limit orders into your entry area, creating yourself an average, another version of quick scalping. So basically, what is the point of what we do here? In our entry area, we actually looking for a small PO3, the power of 3. Accumulation, manipulation, and the expansion. I hope that you get the main idea here. Now the problem we encounter so many times, price sometimes never stops here and keeps dropping and dropping and dropping. This can happen actually anytime since we do not have any kind of 100% working strategy. I also say this million times. We do not know the future, what will happen, we have no idea. Then, in this case, you need to wait. Wait for the stronger momentum. Let the price go first. Let it make the first MSB, the market structure, break. So idea here is skip the MSB and wait for the first break of structure, the BOS, and then start trading. Because this time price is more likely to hunt the targets above. This can give you more confidence and trust in the upwards momentum. Finally, the sniper trading that you all have been waiting for. Problem with sniper setups. They are actually not that common. It is not happening daily in my opinion. But I need to teach this because if you see one, take the trade. So, in our entry area, we look for a very compact version of PO3. An inner liquidity sweep with imbalance. This is how you find the sniper trading setups. So actually, this is a fractal concept. What happens here in your overall entry location, the trade location? A PO3 inside PO3, basically double PO3. Look carefully in my overall entry area. First, what we look for, what happens? First thing happening is price accumulates and then sweeps the liquidity as the manipulation. Then the expansion happens. You got this. This is the bigger PO3. Now, look what happens inside. A smaller inner PO3 happens. Smaller accumulation, smaller manipulation, and a smaller expansion. The sniper double PO3 setup. I will try to work on live example in the upcoming next videos. Okay folks, have a great and lovely day. Please stay safe and see you soon. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you